Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Sunday and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, of course, you can see right here we are still aiming for this weekly candle close right here, which is currently still trading below the value area high. So the bulls have just under 15 hours left to basically take price back above 75k. Otherwise, we are, in my opinion, going to go down for the next 1 or 2 weeks. Maybe even during next week, we could go all the way down to hit the value area low level right here. Of course, this is quite a bit to ask as of right now how things are looking. Basically, we need to pump like 2% in order to get back above 75k and close this area, basically above the value area high. As you can see right now, things are not looking the best. We could also very well, even if we close above, reject right here from the EMAs and from the monthly open level, since we are trading below it. It is Sunday, you can see right here, basically during the weekend, nothing much has happened. Price action has been just very choppy and sideways with no move bigger than like 1.5%. We are right now fighting the monthly pivot level right here, but of course it is the last day of this month. We are going to be opening the June candle in about 14 hours. So this could very well give us the new monthly pivot levels, which are, in my opinion, going to give us that direction that we want to head to. Very, very key monthly open right here. This is going to be the decision for the markets if we are going to continue up or down. Basically, if we, in my opinion, if we close below right here and open the new monthly candle below 75.5k, basically the value area high level right here, then the next move could be very well to the downside. If we start closing above, then we are going to take out the highs right here. Which scenario is right now more likely? Since we are in a heavy downtrend, of course the scenario that we go down is more likely to happen. But of course, we could also very well just go for the highs once again, trap all the sellers that have been piling up on this move right here, and then we could very well reverse once again after all the sellers have been taken out. So looking at something like this here could be the big play that everybody is waiting for, basically a sweep of those highs that we left, pump above 84 to 85k, and then we start reversing to the downside. This is the potential big play that I am looking for right now. Of course, Ethereum is also right now trying to reclaim back above its value area low. We have fallen back where we were like at the end of March. So 1 month ago, Ethereum was at this price level, and right now, basically almost 1-2 months later, we are back again at this price level, which is of course not great, considering you can see hype right here just hit $70 today. Historical all-time highs being made. As I have told you, we closed this weekly candle right here, and as I have told you, I was expecting a potential engulfing weekly candle like so, and this is right now almost what we're getting, a bit to the weak side, but we could very well, by the end of the day or with the next weekly open, we could start seeing another candle to the upside. Basically, being in price discovery right now, you can't know when price is going to be topping out, or if it's going to be topping out as well, as hype right now is, in my opinion, the most bullish out of all the altcoins because of the Hyperliquid exchange, which I also do use personally. Basically, it is, in my opinion, the biggest project ever. And if Bitcoin, of course, stays around those prices right here, continues to range, then I don't see any reason for hype to not continue climbing to the upside. But back to Bitcoin right now, you can see we have liquidity sitting to the downside, of course, piling up quite a lot of it, but we also do have some liquidity which is sitting actually quite a lot all the way up to 76.4k. We could be taking this level out before the next move to the downside. Right now, Fear and Greed Index sitting at 35, nothing new here. Spot ETFs, you can see we basically don't have anything new, but the past 2 weeks have been brutal with the biggest sell-offs we have seen in quite a while from the bigger institutions. Long versus shorts ratio right now, we do have more buyers in the market, which is very interesting to see, as yesterday we did have quite a lot of sellers. Right now everybody seems to have flipped bullish. Even the bigger whales on Hyperliquid have flipped on the long side, which is very interesting to see. And for next week, we do have some news. We got JOLTS, we got PMI data coming out on Monday, unemployment and average hourly earnings on Friday going to be important also. So next week is going to be very, very important of how price moves, especially on Tuesday with the JOLTS job openings. This news right here, they have quite effect on Bitcoin. I've noticed every time we have this news right here, Bitcoin does move quite a bit. So it's going to be very interesting week. Also depends how the stock market opens. You can see indices are still very bullish. We cannot tell when they're going to top out. Exactly same thing as Hyperliquid. Once price is in price discovery, we cannot tell when it's actually going to form a top. But we're looking at the yearly R3s for both of them, basically for the big resistance. And yes, guys, I do believe that this would cover it for today. Enjoy your Sunday, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.